I'm happy, and that's all that matters. We're not going to talk about other stuff. I don't even want to talk about it. Far from wanting to talk about that. Do a YouTube video. Oh my god, let me do a YouTube video. Let me do one. I'm gonna do one now. I might even post it. Do you know what? Let me do a YouTube video because I actually have a lot of rant. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do a YouTube video.